Hi, it's Kathy, Crafty Chica. Have you ever carved your own stamps from erasers? You gotta try it. It is so satisfying. So I'm working on a prototype workshop. It's like a make and take project for an event that I have coming up in November. There's gonna be a large crowd of people coming through. They have about 10 minutes or so to complete a project, and I wanted to do a storytelling experience. So I carved all of these little mini motifs into different types of erasers. Some of them are double-sided. I really got into this process. And then I made a little guidebook. So each of the stamps has a meaning behind it, a little story. So that way when people go and they choose their different stamps and they put a little collage, visual collage together with all these different motifs, I can tell them what it means according to my little guidebook. Of course, it will also be their own intuition as well, but I just thought it would be something different to do. And I got so excited about this idea that I had to calm down. So I decided to make a little paper flower, and I used tone-on-tone stamps to match the tissue paper. Yes, I know it's like, Kathy, squirrel, but sometimes when you're working through a new idea, don't you just have to take a little break and work on something else? That's what I did. The flower came out cute. Okay, get down to business. I had to test out these different stamps and see how it would work. I still need to clean them up. However, I really love this idea. I made several of these. There's just limitless options of mixing and matching all of these different designs. So I guess we can call it a mini motif storytelling printmaking experience. It just rolls off the tongue, right? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, happy crafting!